The World Defense Show, or WDS, has announced its strategic partnership with Saudi Arabian Military Industries, SAMI, for the 2026 edition, scheduled to take place in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia from February 8 to February 12, 2026. This event, organized by the General Authority for Military Industries, or GAMI, will showcase cutting-edge technologies across air, land, sea, space, and security sectors. SAMI has been a key partner of WDS since its inception in 2022, and its involvement aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative. This ambitious plan aims to localize 50% of the kingdom's defense expenditures, boosting the local defense industry and workforce while driving technological innovation. SAMI, a subsidiary of Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, was established in 2017 and operates 5 divisions: SAMI Aerospace, SAMI Land, SAMI Sea, SAMI Defense Systems, and SAMI Advanced Electronics. The organization uses WDS as a platform to support its objectives of increasing exports, attracting foreign investments, and advancing the local production of military technologies. In 2024, SAMI showcased several cutting-edge systems, including the 8x8 155mm self-propelled howitzer, designed to compete with European models such as the Caesar and RCH 155. SAMI also introduced the Ubaya 2 armored vehicle, a high-performance machine designed for tough military operations. The company also presented the Tatra 158 Phoenix 6x6 truck, featuring independent suspension and powerful engines designed to meet international standards. The WDS 2026 edition is expected to host over 750 exhibitors from 75 countries, attracting more than 100,000 visitors. The event will include live demonstrations, networking programs, and discussions on the latest advancements in defense technology. Notably, over 100 Chinese defense companies are expected to participate. SAMI's partnership with WDS is an integral part of its mission to localize defense production and expand Saudi Arabia's position in the global defense industry. The 2026 event will continue to focus on the kingdom's technological capabilities, workforce development, and economic diversification. With a venue covering 800,000 square meters, including indoor exhibition halls, outdoor demonstration zones, and a dedicated runway for aerial displays, the World Defense Show 2026 promises to be an even larger and more influential event. As Saudi Arabia moves forward with its defense localization objectives, WDS will play a key role in promoting innovation, collaboration, and international partnerships in the defense sector.